listeners. Welcome to our podcast for English learning. I'm Alexa.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're going to talk about software engineering using simple words to help you learn English. Let's begin.
Software engineering is about creating programs that help people do tasks on computers or phones. It includes writing code, testing it, and fixing any mistakes. This work helps make apps and software that we use every day, like chat apps and games. It's a very important job in today's world.
Yes, that's true. Alexa, software engineers also work in teams to build big projects. They share ideas and solve problems together. Teamwork is very important in this field. Engineers use coding languages like Python, Java, or C++ to create these programs. Each coding language has its own rules and uses.
Exactly, Alex. Learning software engineering takes time. People usually study it in school or learn through online courses. There are many steps, such as learning how to think like a problem solver. Engineers need to break big problems into smaller parts to make them easier to fix.
You're right, Alexa. One important part of software engineering is testing. Before a program is shared with people, engineers check it to find and fix errors. This is called debugging. Testing makes sure the software works as it should and is safe to use. It's a careful process.
And another interesting thing, Alex, is that software engineering is always changing. New tools and coding languages come out, so engineers need to keep learning. This helps them stay good at their jobs and build better programs. The learning never really stops for them.
Yes, Alexa, that's why many software engineers enjoy their job. It's always fresh and exciting because there's always something new to learn or a new problem to solve. Engineers often share what they learn with each other online or at meetups to help everyone improve.
That's true, Alex. Software engineers can work on different types of projects. Some build apps for phones, while others work on websites or even big systems for businesses. There are also engineers who work on games, making sure they run well and are fun to play.
Yes, Alexa, many software engineers choose a special area to work in. Some focus on front-end development, which is how a program looks and feels to users. Others do back-end development, which handles the data and logic behind the scenes. Both are important.
Good point, Alex. Front-end engineers use tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make sure a program looks nice and is easy to use. Back-end engineers use coding languages like Java, Python, or PHP to make sure everything works behind the scenes, like handling user data.
Exactly, Alexa. There's also full-stack development, which is when an engineer can work on both front-end and back-end. Full-stack engineers understand the whole process of building an app or website. This is a great skill to have because it makes them very valuable in the job market.
Yes, Alex, and there are also software engineers who work on databases. They make sure that all the data is stored safely and is easy to access. Databases are important for apps that need to save lots of information, like social media apps or e-commerce websites.
That's right, Alexa. Software engineering is not just about coding, it's also about planning and designing. Engineers use diagrams to show how different parts of a program will work together. This planning helps make sure the program is built correctly from the start.
Exactly, Alex. One tool that software engineers use to help plan and manage their work is called Agile. Agile helps engineers break their work into small parts and finish them in steps. This way, they can show what they made and get feedback quickly.
Yes, Agile is very popular in software development teams. Another tool that helps engineers work better is version control. Git is a common version control tool. It helps engineers keep track of changes to their code and work together without losing any progress.
That's a good point, Alex. Git helps engineers go back to an earlier version of their code if there is a problem. This makes it easier to fix mistakes and work on big projects with other team members. It's like a safety net for coding.
Yes, exactly, Alexa. And speaking of safety, software engineers also need to think about security. Programs must be safe from hackers. Engineers add extra code to protect users' data and make sure only the right people can use the program.
Yes, Alex, security is very important, especially for apps that deal with sensitive information like banking apps. Engineers need to test their software to find any weak spots that hackers could use. This helps keep people's information safe.
Right, Alexa? To be a good software engineer, it's not only about knowing how to code. You need to have problem-solving skills, be able to work well in a team, and be open to learning new things. It's a mix of many skills that makes someone successful in this field.
That's true, Alex. And one more thing is communication. Engineers need to talk with their team and share ideas clearly. This helps everyone understand the project better and work faster. Good communication makes the work more organized. Sure, Alex. Another interesting thing in software engineering is problem solving with algorithms. Algorithms are like step-by-step plans that help programs do specific tasks. Engineers use them to make their code run faster and more smoothly. Learning algorithms is an important skill for all engineers.
That's right, Alexa. Algorithms help solve common problems, like sorting numbers or finding the shortest path in a map app. Engineers practice writing these to improve their problem-solving skills. Knowing how to use algorithms well can make a big difference in how good a program is.
Exactly, Alex. And let's not forget about user experience, or UX. Engineers need to make sure that the software is easy to use and enjoyable. This means paying attention to how users interact with the program. A good user experience can make an app or website much more popular.
Good point, Alexa. That's why software engineers often work with designers. Designers create the look and layout, while engineers bring those designs to life with code. Working together helps create a final product that looks good and works smoothly for the users.
Yes, Alex. Another thing that helps software engineers is feedback from users. After launching a program, engineers read user reviews and fix any issues that come up. This process of updating and improving a program is important to keep users happy and engaged.
Absolutely, Alexa. This is where updates and patches come in. Engineers often release updates to add new features or fix bugs. It's a continuous process that shows how software engineering is not just about building, but also about maintaining and improving programs over time.
That's true, Alex. And speaking of improvement, software engineers need to know how to learn from their mistakes. If something goes wrong, they look back and understand what happened. This helps them become better and avoid the same mistakes in the future.
Yes, Alexa. Learning from mistakes is a big part of growing as an engineer. Plus, engineers don't work alone. They have a community. There are many forums and groups online where engineers ask questions, share knowledge, and help each other. This support makes the field feel like a big team.
That's so true, Alex. In the end, software engineering is a career full of learning, teamwork, and problem solving. It's not always easy, but it's rewarding when you see a project come to life and help people. For anyone who enjoys technology and creating new things, it's a great career path. Sure thing, Alex. Let's not forget the importance of soft skills in software engineering. Besides technical knowledge, engineers need patience and creativity. Sometimes, finding the right solution takes time, and thinking outside the box can lead to amazing results.
That's so true, Alexa. Creativity helps engineers come up with unique solutions to tricky problems. Patience is needed for long projects and when fixing tough errors. These skills make the difference between a good engineer and a great one.
Exactly, Alex. Software engineering can be challenging, but it's also very rewarding. Seeing a finished project that helps others is one of the best parts of the job. Plus, engineers often have the chance to work on exciting projects and new technologies that make life easier.
Right, Alexa. And the great thing about software engineering is that it's a job that can be done from anywhere. Many engineers work remotely or in different countries. This gives them the chance to travel, meet new people, and work with teams around the world. It's a career full of opportunities.
That's a great point, Alex. To close, we hope this conversation has shown you what software engineering is all about and helped you practice English. Remember to keep learning, stay curious, and don't be afraid to try new things. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Keep practicing your English by listening to more podcasts, reading, speaking, and writing. We hope you enjoyed this talk. Goodbye for now, and keep learning and exploring.